Tucson approach, Cessna 54140 with you.
Cessna 140, say aircraft type.
We are a Cessna 172 Skyhawk.
Skyhawk 140, squawk 0437.
0437 in the box for 54140.
Cessna 140, your radar contact 8 miles west of the Benson Airport. Proceed direct to the fairgrounds and then enter a left downwind for runway 11 left at or above 4,000.
Alright, direct fairgrounds and left traffic for 11 left at or above 4,000. Cessna 54140.
Cessna 140, traffic at your 12 o'clock and 5 miles of Learjet. They're about to join a 6 mile funnel. Advise me have that traffic in sight.
We have traffic in sight, Cessna 54140.
Right now. Cessna 140, turn your base behind that traffic and change to runway 11 right, clear to land, wind 360 at 7.
Alright, we'll turn our base behind the traffic and we'll side step over to 11 right for Cessna 54140.
Cessna 140, runway 11 right, clear touch and go, wind 060 at 5. Traffic, Airbus, joining a 6 mile final for the parallel runway, caution, wake turbulence.
Clear touch and go, runway 11 right, looking for the traffic, 140. Tucson Tower, Cessna 54140, we have the Airbus in sight.
Cessna 140, thank you. 21, clear for takeoff, turn right, heading 300.
Well, 21, clear for takeoff, 300, or Delta 40.
Party at
Tower Delta 564, we're 10 miles out on the visual, 11 left.
Delta 564, Tucson Tower, runway 11 left, clear to land, wind 350 at 3.
Clear to land, 11 left on 564. Yes.
Cessna 140, negative traffic observed between you and Benson, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved for Cessna 54140. Have a good day, thanks.